Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Onshape. Now in this video we will explore a few things including how to use Onshape, Onshape's community, Onshape's security policies, and we'll have a look at some of the pricing. So without further ado, let us get in. So the big question, what is Onshape? Well, Onshape is a cutting-edge cloud-based CAD platform that revolutionizes the way engineers and designers collaborate on projects. It offers a real-time collaboration, version control, and accessibility from any device with an internet connection anywhere in the world. Using Onshape is intuitive and efficient. From creating 3D models to assembling and drawings, Onshape provides a seamless workflow. Its parametric modeling capabilities and built-in simulation tools make design iterations a breeze. Joining the Onshape community opens doors to a wealth of knowledge and resources. Engage with fellow Onshape users, share tips and tricks, and stay updated on the latest features through their forums, their webinars, and some of their most effective user groups. Security is a paramount with Onshape. Your data is encrypted, access is controlled, and regular security audits are conducted to ensure the safety of your designs and your intellectual property. So, why are you not using Onshape yet? Well, in conclusion, Onshape is a game changer in the world of CAD software. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a student starting out, Onshape offers a comprehensive solution for all your design needs. So, feel free to create a free account and try the software for yourself. If you have any questions, you can leave it down below, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.